Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, see, I'm going to show you how to install VIM Editor. So first of all, you open your Chrome browser, then you click the link www.vim.app.download.php. Then you paste it on your Chrome browser. So you see it will, and then you wait for it to run successfully. After running, the VI interface will pop up. So you will select your preferred file that you want to download. So you click on the 64-bit downloader or the 32-bit downloader. Then you wait for a pop menu to appear on the screen. So I'm not going to download. So you click on start download, and the app installer will start downloading automatically. So you see it's downloading. So you wait for it to download. Wait for it to download. It's still ready. So follow me. Bingo, the app opens successfully. So you can choose to open it by click on the pop-up screen, or you can also locate it on your folder. You click on folder, yes, and you check the recent downloads. You check the recent downloads, you can find it over there. You go to program, the thing that you downloaded to click, then you click on program. Yes, you think the file over there. If you open it, this document, I click on open the IBM downloader app. Then you click OK, then you go to the English. You click OK, then you click next, and you make sure to read the license agreement. Then you click on next, then you click on next again, then you set it to the default, then you move the cursor down and click on next, then you select the directory that from the file to be. So here, for instance, I choose it to save on program files. So you click on next, then you see it will start installing. So you can also click on show details to see the files being extracted. So you wait for it to start successfully by installing. It's still on installation process. Yes, you didn't do it successfully. So it will pop on the screen. This is the VI app on your video. You can make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button, not miss an update from this channel. So